All right, let's make some painted paper collages of birds. First, let's pick out our two papers. We want them to be pretty different because one's going to be the background and one's going to be the bird. I'm going to use this blue color for my bird. First, I'm going to draw a big oval for the body. Then I'm going to draw a circle for the head. And then I'm going to draw kind of a triangle or a wedge shape for the tail. I drew my tail right on the edge so I could cut it out easily. Before I cut out my circles, I'm going to cut out the shapes around it kind of rough and then nicely cut out. It's much easier to hold that way. Before you glue anything down, play around with your shapes on your paper to make sure they fit the way you think they should. Maybe you'll see something that you didn't see before and change your whole picture. My bird needs a beak. I'm going to cut out a little triangle here out of the white paper and then I can color it later. I decided I want my bird to be sitting on a branch, so I'm going to draw it in with colored pencil because it works well on the painted paper. The branch is actually in front of the bird because it's sitting on it, so I'm just going to draw that right on top. I'm going to give my blue jay a little more detail by giving it its little blue crest on its head. Since my bird is sitting, I'm going to just draw the shape of its wing folded against its side. If it was flying, I could cut out a big triangle shape to make the wings. And there we have a painted paper collage bird. My blue jay's ready to fly.